Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Solo Stove Ranger Portable Fire Pit. Solo Stove makes a slew of sturdy portable fire pits, made of sleek stainless steel. The cylinder-shaped pit comes nearly ready to use with a base and removable ash plate. You'll need to supply your own wood, but once you get a fire going, the pit keeps the flames protected and contained so you can easily add more logs as you enjoy the warmth projected from its top, bottom, and sides. It provides an abundance of heat, but the fire pit is small and light enough to move around whether you're in a backyard or at the beach. The Solo Stove Ranger harnesses are patented design in a more compact size and travel-friendly size. The Ranger sets up and starts quickly, allowing you to have a no-trace fire in more places than just the backyard. The double wall design creates a burst of hot air over the fire, reducing the smoke without the use of batteries and fans. By design, Ranger burns wood so efficiently you'll only be left with ultrafine ash, making cleanup as simple as dumping out the spent ash. Our second best fire pit for camping is InnoStage Smokeless Fire Pit. The air passage in the middle can increase the intake of oxygen and the combustion efficiency. Air flows through the fire pit's bottom grate, aiding pellet combustion, and flows through lower outside holes into the heating chamber. The air is heated and rises through the chamber. The superheated air exits the chamber, meeting the combustible gases and ignites, producing a captivating smokeless and sparkless dancing flame. This bonfire pit is very easy to light and burn well. It throws off a lot of heat while less smoke. Avoid your hands become black and clothes smell badly, ash all over you. Smokeless fire bowl pit for outdoor wood pellet burning spark. Fire pit grill, a fireplace stove for picnic, camping, cooking on beach. This outdoor fire pit can be used as fire pit, barbecue grill, perfect for your backyard, outdoor entertaining, bonfire pit, RV trips, camping, tailgating, beach, parties. Extra carrying bag, easy to carry to anywhere you want, soft handle protection, less pain when carrying it. Painted logo InnoStage. InnoStage is always responsible for our brand. Waterproof inside, easy to clean. Warming in winter, having a barbecue in summer, or throwing a party in spring and autumn. No matter which purpose you want, this fire pit would serve well. This unique design fire pit makes it an ideal choice for heating, barbecue and food in patio, garden and yard. Third in our list is Bond Aurora Camping Fire Pit. The Bond Aurora portable steel propane gas fire pit comes with a matching stainless steel lid with a handle that locks into place, making it easy to carry the fire pit long distances. Its compact design is ideal for garage storage or placing it in a packed car for camping or picnics. The Aurora gas fire pit is mainly constructed of sturdy steel for longer lasting usability, and showcases a gorgeous antique copper metal finish. The stainless steel control panel and burner feature a handy auto ignition dial to easily switch or adjust your flame. This beauteous fire pit utilizes liquid propane gas, which eliminates the mess brought about by burnt debris, ash, soot, and the like. Feel instant gratification knowing your fire pit is clean burning, meaning no noxious smoke or carcinogens either. Enjoy the tranquility of nature outdoors without the need to cut down life-sustaining trees or atmospheric harm brought about by smoky coals, with the Aurora Gas Fire Pit. Transport, set up and enjoy your Aurora Gas Fire Pit with haste and ease, as its tool-free and lightweight design proves to be a refreshing alternative to the more common and heavy-set fire pits that are restricted to your backyard. Made with an easy-to-carry lock handle and auto-ignition function for instant use anytime, anywhere. Number 4 in our best fire pit for camping list is Fireside Outdoor Pop-Up Fire Pit. The Fireside Outdoor Pop-Up Fire Pit has standout features in addition to its ability to completely break down and fit into a compact rectangular bag. With the lightweight stainless steel material that has a sturdy base when it's put together. It was slightly difficult to pop the steel mesh cover into the legs while assembling the fire pit. We still think it's amazing how the legs, sides, and mesh cover come apart for stellar portability. When the fire pit is assembled, it boasts an incredibly sturdy design that can hold the weight of several burning logs. The fire pit does an excellent job of emitting heat from the top, bottom, and sides to keep your feet and body plenty warm. The pop-up pit sets up in just under 60 seconds without the use of any tools. Burning on a fire-rated stainless steel mesh means our fires get perfect airflow. Enjoy brighter, hotter fires with almost no smoke. The fire mesh holds up to 125 pounds of weight and doesn't allow ash to fall through. With 576 square inches of burn area, an elevated base, and 3.5-inch sides, the pop-up fire pit exceeds BLM and Forest Service regulations for fire pans. Our last pick is BioLite Smokeless Fire Pit. BioLite turned to technology in making its fire pit, using a lithium-ion battery, a fan, Bluetooth, and an app to create the combustion conditions needed for a smokeless fire. Admittedly, we were skeptical about relying on a battery to be able to use the fire pit, but we never came close to running it down completely during any one fire. Smokeless wood-burning fire pit that gives you an efficient burn with way less smoke. USB rechargeable power pack will run the integrated air fan for 30 hours on a single charge. Fuel your fire with wood, up to a maximum capacity of 4 standard fire logs. Burn charcoal or wood embers and add the included grill top for a hibachi-style grilling experience. Enjoy the feeling of a 360-degree floating fire with the fire pit's X-ray mesh. Updated enlarged mesh helps heat radiate outward and also makes for easier cleaning. Adjust your fire manually or use the Bluetooth app to control the size of the flames. Rechargeable power pack doubles as a power bank for other devices in a pinch. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!